Hello friends, so I've created this video to show you some new features which I've added right now. Okay, which are as follows. Two of them comes under this follow limit settings over here. These features were not there earlier in the last videos which I've shown. So I've created a new video for these. See, like, post, after, follow. So if you're doing a follow operations, after that it'll like a few posts on that target profile. It's like post after follow min max. It'll take a random number between these two, and it'll like those many posts for each target profile. And similar cases for the comments. If you want to leave comments also on some of the posts of the target profile, you can set it over here. Comments on posts after follow minimum and comments on posts after follow maximum. So I've selected these. And another thing is under the like settings, I'll show you. Under the like limit settings, yeah, likes to do per target minimum, likes to do per target minimum. It's like you can have you can like multiple posts from a single target. Minimum and maximum, it will take a random number between these two, and it will like do that many posts on that target. Similar thing is for the comments as well. You can leave most a few comments on the some of the target posts on the target profile. There's a minimum and maximum. It will take a random number in between these two, and it will leave those comments. Okay, I think I'll show you this in the live action to you how it works. I'll minimize this. I'll close all this. Okay, I'll start this. Let's take it as a real device. So it will be working in the same way on the real mobiles as well. There won't be any difference. It will do 3 follows and 1 likes. I haven't done any target is feed browsing emulation. I've set that to 0. That's why it's directly going for the target actions. It will do only the target actions. Earlier it was emulating reading comments. This time see, there were no posts on this profile, so it can't do. Okay, the user is private or having 0 posts. That's why it couldn't do any liking action on the post. So it has done 2 like actions on this single account. That's doing comment action as well. From the follow action. See, like action was also done there. Like action and comment action both have been done. It is being imaged for result. It should browse. Yeah. Like action done. I think I should have put some better comments in my sprint text. I think I'll let her go and delete these comments, I'm thinking. The account was private, so no other action was done. It was only followed. All the actions have been completed. See, all the actions have been completed. 00 session completed. It took 6 minutes to complete, and it'll wait till next session start time. It'll show the time as well in some time after connect. See, it's not even waiting for the next session. Next session start time is this. Currently is 9:44, so around 1 hour. I think I have set what is the time limit I have set? Wait between app sessions between 45 to 90 minutes. It's waiting around 1 hour. That means like around 60 minutes. So yeah, it's in the limits. That's how it goes. After when this time reaches, it will start the next session as well. It will keep going on like that. Whatever you have set in these settings, start and stop execution time for daily. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video.